SDK.finance. In the second stage, we need to build Docker images. To configure and build the Docker images, we will use an image builder. Open the README file and follow the instructions. According to the instructions, we should clone the source code from the repository into the target folder, including the frontend, path, and Swagger code. If you have a zip file, you can unzip it directly into the target folder. In our case, we will use the Git repository for the frontend and the OpenAPI source code. Now, open the frontend repository. Paste the link. Then, open the API repository. Paste the link. We can execute the command directly from this file to clone the code from the repository into the target directory. Alternatively, you can copy the command and execute it in the terminal or command line. The next step is to build the images. But before doing that, I want to show that there are no images on the local machine. This step takes some time. Okay, now let's check the images. There are 3 images on the local machine. That's all. Thank you for your attention.